Really quick before we get into today's video, remember I sell car parts. I work for a performance shop out here in Elgin, Illinois. I don't live in Elgin, but the shop is in Elgin. So if you guys need any car parts for your builds, please hit me up on Instagram at boosted_John. I'm gonna get you the best deal I possibly can. So hit me up if you need any performance parts for your cars. All right, let's start the video. Hey!
Hey.
Hey Kearney, can you take this and just help me film a cold start?
Yeah.
For all my people that love cold starts. If you're one of the people that loves cold starts, obliterate that like button. Smash it. I basically just need to figure out two things here.
Do you need me to help you?
Yeah. I just have to find a socket
that fits in there.
That is the exact size of this outer diameter. Dude, no way. First try? Are you serious? That's it. All right, cool, good, done. That's all I need. Yeah, that's my diffuser for the S2000. But like, don't show them. They can't see it yet.
It's really cool. I haven't seen it.
Yeah, it's carbon fiber.
I know.
All right, bye-bye. I love you.
I love you.
Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today we are out at Caleb's shop and I have a bunch of different things going on in today's video. As you can see, As you can see, the Evo's behind me, and it needs some work. But before we get too deep into it, I have a couple of announcements. First thing, this is a product from a company called Plates. This is actually pretty sick. Let me show you what it does. So literally no one likes running a front plate on their cool car. So Plates thought of this great idea because everyone was just sticking their license plates on their dash. They thought of this great idea to put suction cups onto a plastic frame, and check this out. Nice clean Evo 8, no plate in the front. But guess what, officer? I do have a plate in the front, and it's right there. Bam. Woo! So I just gotta say thank you to Plates for sending that out. I really appreciate it. Companies that reach out to me that actually like benefit the channel and benefit like my cars are awesome. So if you guys wanna check out this product, obviously like super cheap product. It'll save you a ton of trouble if you ever get pulled over. Maybe, probably. Anyway, link in the description if you guys want to use this solution for your front plate. Please check them out. And when I said cheap, I didn't mean like bad quality. I just meant like very affordable product to achieve this solution. Okay, next announcement. I'm giving away an entire year of YouTube revenue. If you haven't seen, oh shit. Oh. Anyway, I'm giving away an entire year of YouTube revenue. Video is up here, please check it out. It's not getting as many views as I thought it would. Like I'm literally just giving away like $1,600 worth of car parts to one of you guys. And I'm gonna come out and help you install those car parts on your car. So please go check out that video, share the video. Next announcement, it is so good to be back. I haven't made a video in a while, and like to be honest with you guys, it's just because I haven't had any content. I did vlogmas and that was a great challenge, but I don't want to be putting out just like kind of like filler videos anymore. A lot of you guys were commenting that you missed the builds, and I agree. I miss the builds too. It is winter here in Chicago, and pretty much everything that I can do build-wise requires it to not be cold outside and wet and rainy and snowy. So I'm doing my best to think of videos. And with that said, today we are going to be working on the Evo. Now what you saw at the beginning of this video was me getting the bushings for the rear lower control arms, or like you saw me like matching them up to a socket. So these bushings on the Evo are shot, and it's causing the Evo to kind of like wiggle back and forth when I'm at highway speeds. I also can't get an alignment until I fix these. So anyway, I got the Evo backed in here. I'm gonna remove the control arms, hopefully be able to push out the bushings, push in the new ones, and throw them back in. I'm thinking it's gonna be a pretty straightforward job as long as I don't break any bolts. So yeah, that is my main priority today. If I have time, I'm gonna turn the Evo around, and we're gonna be doing a headlight restoration kit on the Evo. Let's get down to business. I think we might have found our problem. All right, now everyone told me that was gonna be terrible, and that actually wasn't that bad. Ooh, you know what I should have paid attention to is which way it went in, because it only goes one way. I guess I'll figure it out. And I guess all we gotta do is just push it in. Easy peasy. Let's get her done. Lunch break. Lunch break.
Garbage break first.
Garbage break first? What?
The sound in your voices. What?
Can we go?
It's time to stop.
The voltage is normal. Bluetooth disconnect.
Yeah, that was public. That was just sent to me. But that was like the first written proof I had of his.
Go, if you know, you know. Now, I've already done this in a video, so if you guys want to see how to do this like in a detailed process, check out that video, it'll be up here.
Dr. John is about to perform the operation. Hopefully the patient makes it through.
You ready for this?
I am.
All right, here we go. You ready for this? Are you ready?
Wow. Look at that line. It's ridiculous.
That's like actually such an insane difference.
Super satisfying ASMR. Only if you could just do that without having to sand for 2 hours.
I know.
It's almost hard to believe, like, and the fact that it actually lasts too. It doesn't just wash off or anything. Oh, bro, you got.
I know. I'm gonna polish it. I should have taped it. I didn't. Oh my god, though, dude.
Bad.
Stop.
John.
Stop. Dude, hold on. Look at them side by side.
All right. Yeah.
Like, look at this side by side. That looks literally brand new. That looks ridiculous. Damn. Dude, that is ridiculous. That is like actually ridiculous.
Guys, this is what it looks like to be John. How tall he is. This is John view.
Wanna see the Caleb shot?
Oh no. See what, down here?
I was gonna tie the camera to my shoe and then like
wow.
walk with it. I'd say that looks pretty good. I'm really, really happy with how it turned out. We still have more to do, but it's getting late. So I'll see you guys in a second. All right, we are on the first test drive. It is now the next day. Thank you for your patience. Now, I was noticing this wiggle at like highway speeds, so I won't really be able to tell if it's completely fixed until I go a little bit faster. Also, I didn't mark the eccentric bolts when I was taking them out and putting them back in yesterday, so my camber adjustment, I believe, in the rear is going to be a little bit off. So until I get an alignment, this thing isn't gonna drive perfect, but as long as that wiggle is gone, then I have achieved my goal of doing this job. And honestly, so far so good. I haven't noticed anything yet. I'm just gonna get back to you guys when I'm getting on the highway. All right, so for you, that was just a quick cut, but for me, that was like probably 15 minutes of driving, and now we are driving in a blizzard, which is kind of hilarious. I didn't expect this to happen, but Anyway, we're getting on the highway and let's see how this bushing does. All right, buddy. Oh yeah, oh that's so smooth. Oh baby. I could already tell. Wow, yeah, it is. That was it. That was it. It was just that bushing. It's not driving straight right now because my alignment's really whack, but it's not wiggling anymore. And that was so sketchy. Let's give you guys a quick little highway pull here. This car is so fun. It's like such a fun power level because like, you know, I still get all the like fun from a turbo, but it doesn't feel like it wants to kill me like the Civic. So, and it's not nearly as fast as the Civic, but like, it's just such a fun power level for me. So guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I think the Evo looks so much better with these headlights redone. Oh my God, I can see it in the camera screen right now. Oof, looks so good. Looks so much better. That is like 10 out of 10. The best way to improve the value of your vehicle is redo the headlights, because every person that comes to look at your car sees your headlights look yucky and they think it's a hoopty. And that probably took me like maybe an hour and a half to do the entire thing start to finish. Also, the bushing is fixed. The car drives so much better, and that is absolutely huge. Like it was so scary to drive on the highway, and I had to because I had so many places to go, but I'm so glad it's fixed. I'm gonna go get an alignment like ASAP. And before we close out the video, remember, I'm giving away an entire year of YouTube revenue. Click the link up here, it's gonna pop up. Also, link in the description to that video. Please go check it out for instructions on how to win. It's really easy. Also, merch. I'm not wearing it right now. I'm wearing this "Today is the Day to Have a Good Day" shirt, which is kind of sick, but new merch, link to that in the description as well. And lastly, again, thank you to Con Plates for sending out this license plate frame. I think this is gonna be absolutely huge because I've never gotten a ticket for no front plate. Like, fingers crossed I don't get a ticket for no front plate, but this will even lessen my chances of getting pulled over and getting a ticket for having no front plate. So thank you, Con Plates. Check them out, link in the description as well. And that is it for today. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you like this video, please click that thumbs up, smash that like button, click that subscribe button. Those are two of the things that you gotta do to win an entire year of YouTube revenue. So right off the bat, you already got a head start. Please help me get to 100,000 subs this year. I think we're really gonna do it. And lastly, as I always say, boys, let's plan, commit, execute, and attain our goals. Bye.